Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Today we are presenting a new video that is how to set up Linksys AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 mesh router. In this video we will discuss easy and short setup steps that help you set up Linksys router effortlessly. The Linksys AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 mesh router is a high-performance wireless router designed to provide fast, reliable, and wide-range internet coverage using Wi-Fi 6 technology. It supports dual-band connectivity, mesh networking, advanced security features, and seamless device connections. So let's start the setup process. Firstly, we will unbox the package. Inside the Linksys AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 mesh router box, you'll find the router itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide to help with quick setup. Everything you need to get started is included, so you can easily start your setup process. Ensure that Linksys router is placed in a central location in your home for the best coverage. Avoid placing it near microwaves, thick walls, or metal objects, as these may interfere with signals. And also ensure your modem is turned off before connecting the router. Grab a smartphone or tablet according to your choice. On your smartphone or tablet, go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Linksys, and download the official Linksys app. Now turn off your modem and unplug it. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the yellow WN Internet port on the router. Turn on your modem first and wait 2 to 3 minutes for it to fully start. Next, plug in and turn on your Linksys AX5400 router and wait for the light to start blinking purple. This means it's ready for setup. In the next step, open the Linksys app on your phone. Tap Set up a new Wi-Fi network and select Mesh Wi-Fi Router Mr. Series. Follow the on-screen instructions, that is, enable Bluetooth if asked. The app will detect the router automatically. Create a Wi-Fi name, SSID, example, My Home Wi-Fi. And also set a strong Wi-Fi password, at least 8 characters combination of uppercase, lowercase alphabets, numeric and special letters. Tap Next to save settings. If you are getting help from the setup videos of this channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. We will continue to provide you such informative videos. Let's move to the next step. Sign in or create a Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account to manage your router from anywhere. This lets you control settings, enable parental controls, set up guest Wi-Fi, and more. In the last step, the router will apply settings and restart. Once it restarts, connect your phone, laptop, and other devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the password you set. If the app suggests a firmware update, install it for the best performance. If you have other Linksys VLAP mesh nodes, you can add them now for wider coverage. If you need to update the firmware, then let us know by commenting in the comments section. We will make a good video on this. So now Linksys AX5400 router setup is complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, don't panic. Feel free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more such informative videos.